your first Alert 5 weather with Alan Rose.
And this video shot early this morning by one of our News 5 crews. We have a static camera on some of the News 5 cars, and this was taken leaving Pueblo, driving north to the Springs. And areas in Pueblo picking up more than 9 inches of snow. Definitely seeing higher amounts south of Highway 50 or in and around Highway 50, leaving some very treacherous driving conditions in and around town in the Pueblo area. Let's switch to the maps and show you a photo out of Pueblo County. This in Colorado City. Shelly posted this on our Facebook page. She's estimating about 19 inches of snow. Check it out. The bird feeder, the birdhouse still looking pretty good, just barely above that snowfall line, but the table completely covered. Seeing a little bit of a sun snow shower right now with some flurries flying here in our Rock Rimmon studios. Overall breaking into some sunshine as well. 8 degrees outside, but with that wind, it feels like it is -2. Also getting some sunshine out there on this Monday evening in Pueblo. After getting about 9 inches of snow in town, you're checking in at 14 degrees with the wind coming out of the east-northeast at about 5 miles per hour. So as expected, snow showers winding down late this afternoon, early this evening. Still a few waves of precipitation, one around Trinidad and Los Animas County, and also a few snow showers clipping some of our eastern plains counties. Temperatures outside right now, it is bone-chilling cold. The warmest spots in the San Luis Valley, but all areas are below the freezing mark. Closer to I-25, we have single digits and teens out there. 9 for Rye, 8 in the Springs, 14 in Pueblo, 17 out east towards La Junta, 16 currently in Lamar. And temperatures are going to get dangerously cold here over the next 12 to 18 hours. Take a look at the projected overnight lows, which are likely to shatter records in the Springs. I think we're going to drop down to around 2 degrees. The current record tomorrow morning, well, that is 16, set back in 1997. Pueblo dropping down to near 0. The current record here, 8, also set back in 1997. Now, as the area of low pressure continues to drop further south tonight towards Arizona and New Mexico, I think the snow machine will eventually shut down. This model does bring in a few waves of precipitation by Tuesday afternoon to Tuesday night, but more importantly, it is tracking the low to kick east by Wednesday morning, and it does show some wraparound moisture on the north side of the low. Again, this model a little more aggressive with how far north the snow goes. I'm not quite sure we're going to see it yet in the Springs, but I think we will get some better clarity over the next 12 to 24 hours once that low eventually begins to move back to these. But just know some spots, especially southeastern Colorado, could see a rain-snow mix by Wednesday and even a freezing rain potential across the southeast plains. That be a little bit dangerous. So lows across the region tonight dropping down to 2 in Monument and the Springs. Will be around 4 below 0 West Cliff to Alamosa, 7 for Trinidad, and a low of 3 in Kit Carson, 7 below 0 for Lyman. That's one of the colder spots. Tomorrow will be around 37 for Pueblo to Denver, 27 for West Cliff, up into the upper 30s to low 40s, Canyon City to the Springs, and 36 in Woodland Park. So dangerous morning cold on the way Tuesday. Make sure you are layered up and insulated as well, as those temperatures will be in the single digits for the first few hours around sunrise. And then heading to Wednesday, we get a little bit warmer, but we also bring in that moisture. So the chance for some precipitation, maybe a rain-snow mix Wednesday through Wednesday afternoon. Finally drying out, but staying cool Thursday. And then check out the end of the 7-day period, 60s from Friday all the way through early next week. Pueblo will be in the upper 30s after temperatures near 0 tomorrow morning. Wednesday, you have a better chance of that mix of rain, snow, maybe some freezing drizzle. That's why we've got a 2 on that impact scale. Dry and cool Thursday, but hey, 70 possible by next Monday. Canyon City will be in the upper 30s on Tuesday, 50 with that mix of rain and snow possible Wednesday, climbing through the mid-50s Thursday, and then 60s heading towards Halloween. And for Woodland Park, going to be cold out there tomorrow, especially in the morning, but nice to get out, maybe shovel some of that snow you saw over the past couple days. Warming, though, by Halloween weekend. Rob?